This is a Princeton planter that we use at Highland Hill Farm to plant our small trees and shrubs in the field. It's a one-man planter and one man on the tractor, but you can use two. We usually just have one operator on the planter. We use it to plant pines, spruces, viburnums, burning bushes, and a host of small trees and shrubs. And this is the tractor that we use to pull it. It uses a fairly large horsepower tractor to pull this planter, and it plants upwards to 3,000 trees and shrubs in a day.
Is that good? Yeah, very good.
After we're planted and all straightened, we put in a drip water line. Watering is a very critical part of transplanting because if you don't get adequate moisture to the tree will die. And the first couple days are very critical. So that's the next thing we do right away. In another couple days, we'll put some pre-emergence herbicide on this as well.
Give us a call at Highland Hill Farm for your trees and shrubs. 215-651-8329. We ship from Fountainville, PA, Milan, PA, Lenoir, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. Thank you.